What does constipation and diarrhea have in common? Well, they're both actually motility problems. That's right. They both have the underlying same root cause. Some people's bodies are different than other people's bodies, and so some people hold on and they slow down. Other people's bodies sort of reject and flush out. In either case, you have a motility issue. So if you're dealing with a motility issue, you want to look for things that actually change your motility. One of those things is how stressed you are. Are you parasympathetic or sympathetic when you eat your food? This is why people like myself and other experts out there would tell you to take deep breaths before every meal, say a prayer, just do something to slow down while you eat. Now, most people are going to need more than that though. They're actually going to need a motility activator. A motility activator are substances in supplement form, usually, although there are some pharmaceutical drugs that do this as well, that basically help force motility waves to go through you. Motility is the contractions that move the food throughout the GI system. So if you want to have stronger motility waves, start with checking for low stomach acid. Betaine HCl Challenge or the HCl Challenge is the best and fastest way to do that. HCl Guard includes this product and it includes the next product, which organic ginger has actually been shown in humans to create stronger contractions and better motility out of the bottom of the stomach. So you could take a ginger supplement and you could take a betaine HCl supplement, and together those two things would actually help you with your motility and the speed of your digestion. They'll actually help you whether you have diarrhea or constipation. That's the cool thing. At Healthy Gut, we actually combine them along with some other herbs for our product, HCl Guard, so you don't have to take all these extra products and you don't have to vet all these extra companies. I'm Steven, the Healthy Gut Guy. Focus on motility whether you have constipation or diarrhea.